Hello, uh, good evening. Welcome to .programming.blogspot.com. Today I will show you how to fix a script manager disabled client-side validation. Actually, uh, if we use the client-side validations control in a simple web form, then it's working fine. Similarly, uh, take a text box control and a button control and a required field validation control. When we click on the button, then generate a required field validator if text box is empty. Simply, we all know about this. Like that, when click on the button, simply right click on it in browser. It's getting some types of error. Uh, Open this page in Internet Explorer. Right click on it, browse with. Internet Explorer. It's not a default Explorer. Actually, Chrome is not working properly, so I open it in Internet Explorer. Yeah, that's fine. Mm, that is localhost. Yeah, it's properly generated. Oops, requesting for the default browser. When we click on the button, your required field validator stop the executions. Okay, that is the source code. The actually the master page is visit master.master. Here we use script manager control. The script manager after using script manager control, if you pressed the button, the code behind file run properly. Can see that. Click on it, browse with Internet Explorer, browser. You can see that when we click on the button, then page is refreshed. Yeah, that is page is refreshed. It means your validator is working, but after the code behind running. Okay, when we click on the button, the code behind is running. So let's check. Code behind is running. Response.write, the value of the text box. First of all, text box 1.txt. Save and then the file. Right click on it, browse with Internet Explorer, and you can see that your text box value is required field validator and page refreshed. If you're taking some value in text box and click on the button, the page is refreshed and the response.write is properly giving the message that is hello. If you take some value hello and press the button after clicking on the try and hello, if you press the button, your page is refreshed and hello is printed on the screen. If you want to stop these things, again run this Explorer to clearly. In case of page is refreshed and required field validator is also generated. In case of required field validator, or you can say the client side validations, the code behind file does not run if you use the client side validations. If you want to stop these things, you can use unobstructive validation testing in app settings in the web.config file. Add key equals to validation settings colon unadministrative yeah and start you validation mode is none, so the value is none. Value is none. By using this we can use validations by using properly scriptings. The save and run in browser, browse with Internet Explorer. Oops, getting error. Yeah, value not that attribute. Names are case sensitive. So change is none. Save this. Refresh it again. Oops, it's getting error. Okay. Now the value, the capital V is not is the proper attribute of the app settings. So change with the lowercase. That is the value V is a lowercase. So change it. Here we have V is in lowercase and check. Save this and refresh it again. Yeah, it's working fine. You can see that when we click on the button, page is not refreshed and hello world is not generated. So here we have client side validation working properly. So thank you very much for watching this